Hello everyone, welcome back to the Dr. Wayne Dyer 101 Ways to Transform Your Life series. Here we are with part 64 on this beautiful kind of day here. Yeah, so this one's a pretty interesting one, and it's the idea of trusting your intuition. Now, this one sounds pretty simple. I think it is pretty simple, but people don't really do it very effectively. Now, that's just a general kind of thing that happens with a lot of self-help is it sounds so simple that you kind of forget to do it. And I'm as guilty of this as like anybody else, that people really want to do stuff, but it's like really hard to do it. Like when it comes to doing your meditation, it's really hard to actually do that on a consistent basis just because it's difficult at a certain point to really get into it. And this can be true of almost anything about this kind of stuff. They can be difficult to actually put into practice, or you think you're putting it into practice, but you're not really. And you find that as you actually put it into practice, you really get somewhere, particularly when you're like 64 parts into this with me here. So anyway, intuition. Let's get back on topic. So intuition is really this idea that to be taught from within, that we have this, our subconscious mind really gives us great ideas and great insights into things, particularly when we program it in a positive way. When we have a really positive subconscious mind, it just hands us really useful advice all the time. And we really grow with that advice, we really go with it, and everything can really work out. But naturally, we kind of have this, like, our conscious mind doesn't really trust the subconscious mind. We constantly feel like, oh, that's probably fake, or how can I trust this intuition? Like, I don't know the facts, I don't know the material. How can I ever trust this kind of stuff? And the answer is that when you do trust it, when you have a positive subconscious mind, it's not going to steer you wrong. It's going to give you good pieces of advice and good ideas. Now, they won't always be perfect because, nothing's really perfect. The world is not a perfect place with perfect ideas. Your subconscious mind is going to give you really good ideas, though, because it is very powerful, and when it is working for you, it will give you great ideas to make sure that you can better your life, and it will do the things that you programmed it to do. If you don't program your own subconscious mind, then somebody else will program it for you, and it will not be a good thing. In almost every case, like 99.9% of cases. So, when you have a good subconscious mind, when you condition it properly, it is a good idea to trust your intuition, to follow this intuition, and it will not steer you wrong. Just as Wayne Dyer said, if prayer is talking to God, then intuition is God talking to you, or the universe talking to you, or your subconscious mind talking to you. That's it for part 64. I will see you guys next time with part 65, so stay tuned.